So hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial video, we are going to learn about our geolocation API. So geolocation API is used to locate a user's position. So geolocation API used to get geographical position as the user. Okay. So as you can see that here I write down our h1 tag and our button tag here, and I give them a get function get location. Okay. So let's write down our code here and I give them ID B when we update our when we click on our button get location to click here, then it's gonna show in a new paragraph and our ID. So that's why I give them ID here. Now let's write our code here. Okay. So for that you need to write down variable. You can write down any. I give them, let's take as a then equals to document dot get element by id. Okay, then give your id here. We give b id here as you can see in paragraph. So I write down b. Now let's write down our function get location. We write, so this is our function. Then let's write our if else condition here. So let's give them navigator dot geolocation and give then our if condition here navigator dot geolocation dot get current position. So user can get your current position. That's why we use here our get current and give them show position. So this is our show position. Then semicolon. Then give them our else condition here. Okay. And I give them else condition here a dot inner HTML equals to let's write down as a location is not supported. Location is not supported by browser. Okay, so I write down like this. So else condition is here and here. Now let's give them our function which we use as a show position, as you can see. So I write down show position into position. Now let's write down our a dot inner HTML equals to your current location. Location is let's write it in down here. If you want to write in here you can also write that, but I write down here so you can easily see our code. I give them plus sign here. Then we are going to take as a latitude and longitude here. Okay, so let's take this our latitude. Now let's write plus add sign here, then write our position dot coordinates dot latitude. Okay, give them plus sign. Why we write in double quotations? So it can show in the our text field. That's why we write here, not text field but text. Now let's write down here longitude. Let's write down as a capital L. Then let's add here plus sign in double inverted, then give them position dot goods dot longitude plus sign, then semicolon close. Now let's see speed and perfection location errors. Let's see there's an error here. Plus sign is correct, latitude is correct, and position codes latitude plus sign, then a comma, then plus sign or longitude, and this one is correct, and plus sign, then this one is also correct. Yeah, it's the Anders problem here, that's why. Let's see, this is our code. Okay, now let's see in our browser. Let's take this as a off, or location is off right now. Now let's click here. As you can see, let's also block this, then we press. For why I will deselect it here, because for geolocation you need to compromise your privacy. Okay, so the position is not available unless you approve. For privacy, as you can see, for privacy it didn't show it, but when you allow, then it's gonna show. For that you need to also on your location here. As you can see, I want my location and press it. Yeah, as you can see, your current location is latitude and longitude. So this is shown my current position here. If you want, let's give them BR tag, and also here, then close. Why it didn't? Let's see. Let's just cut this here and paste it. Still showing error. And save. And still showing the error. Let's just clear this one. Then click here. As you can see, our current location is latitude and longitude here. Now let's move forward to our handling error and rejection. Now let's write down here. So let's first our function, give them get location. As you can see, we already write in here function get location. So you just need to change it here, our get location. Just clear this one and give them function. So E capital, then error. Just clear this one. So this is our error. We also need to change that here in our if condition. We need to add here our show error. Now let's move forward to our we are gonna use our switch case here. So let's create here switch case. Then write down error. If you want to give them any name here, you can give that. I give them C as a name. Now let's move forward to our case here. Then our error dot give them the permission denied. Okay. Now let's give right here permission denied. Let's give it here. Yeah. Now right here a dot inner HTML. Then I write down here user denied the location. Then our break. Now also create a more errors here. Okay. So let's just copy this one. Then paste. And I write down here position position unavailable. Then I write down here users location not found and save. Let's just copy this one and paste and paste. Now give them the timeout error here. Let's write down here timeout and here our last one is unknown error. Then save. Your user request time out. I give them like this. Then write down here location of. Then save. Let's see, they're showing error here. Wait, yeah, now it's working. As you can see, when we click here, it's gonna show like this. It's allow here. Our location is on. You need to change your show error here also in your if condition. Now let's see. This is our show error, and now then our switch case. If you can see, I give them as a C. Then our case error dot permission underscore denied. Case error position unavailable. Then save. Let's refresh it. As you can see, yeah, it's working right now because of my network. Your current location is, as you can see, our latitude and longitude. When we off here our location and refresh it, as you can see, my location is off here. It's gonna show like this error. If I give them the permission here, it takes a few minutes here, then it's gonna show. So that is our, as you can see, yeah, as you can see, our location is here. So that is how our switch case error is working here. And our last topic is watch position. Watch position is returns the current position of the user, and continues to return updated position at the user moves. As you can see, take example as our car. When you move on the car, your location is continuously different. Then it show your current position and your previous position is returns the position. That's why we use here our watch position. So now let's see for watch position. You need to write down here watch position. Then save. Then refresh it. It takes some time here. You just need to change your in here your watch position. Just you need to change it here in the condition. My network is problem here. That's why it didn't show it. Let's open this file one again. When you move on the car, so that is why we use here our watch position. Okay, so that's for the all today guys. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye.